Okay, it's called Black Forest High, and it is the best friggin' high ever.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Gretel!
So, where's the stoner genius?
I understand you have some weed for sale?
Look what I found. It could be a grow house. So let me get this straight. Your boyfriend went out to get something, which you won't say what it is, and then he didn't return?
You can't just go talk to this woman?
It's a curse to grow old.
No old ladies here.
You don't have to.
You can make a whole army of gingerbread men to fight your munchies.
Rose, rose, rose.
Well, that's so badass.
Agnes, what are you doing?
Tasting the merchandise.